Focus. Remember, that's not real. That's electric. And there he goes. Extreme sports.
Oh! I ran into the tree. I couldn't slow down in time. My brakes aren't that good.
Ha ha.
Oh! Look how long I can get this one.
Not bad, not bad.
Ripping ya!
Dope. You're really not.
Oh, don't do it again.
Oh. Why do you say burning rubber? You're not even burning rubber, you're burning plastic.
Oh! Want to come to a jump where I can do stuff?
Why?
I'll bring you there on the bike.
Good. Wait, where is it?
It's right down the dirt road. Here's go on the
Oh, I mean Will's yard?
no.
Okay.
No one lives at the house.
Ready?
So we're good.
But hey!
Oh, I didn't know
Suck.
we were ready.
Go. I'm on the dirt bike.
Batman.
Dirt bike. Uh-oh.
Good?
Yeah. We're not.
Alright, you can get off here. Woo! Ready? Alright, what's
Oh,
wrong
come on.
with? Come back around. Come up through here.
People live here?
Huh?
People live here?
Not that house.
Oh, it's that house. So why do you go through the back?
Walk through the jungle.
Oh, crikey, mate. We're going through the jungle.
Don't worry, this isn't poison ivy.
There's a wild house.
I just burned rubber.
You burned the leaves. Oh, crikey, mate. We're going through the wood. Yeah. Okay. We made it through the woods. Woo! Just
Did
some.
you hear that?
What?
That was a woo!
That was me.
Oh.
That's like freshly planted, whatever you call it. That's like red.
Yo, come here. I'm gonna burn some tire.
Plastic.
I just did there. Ready?
Go. Good for you.
Alright, let's go. Right here. Donut time.
That's slow.
Whoa!
That's a fail.
Now my dirt bike's all dirty.
Uh-huh.
Haunted house.
What?
I'm going in.
Where?
Don't miss me if I'm gone.
Okay.
Huh?
Oh, haunted shed. That's not a house. Beer bottle. Oh, I thought you were going to get that stuck in the tree. It's going in there.
Dad,
Bucket full of water. Rocks.
ready?
Dirt bike with donuts. Throw that in there.
Don't hit the window. Woo! Ready?
Oh, jeez.
Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Should I hit the window out?
No.
Why? No one lives here.
No.
Don't act like it just came out.
How
What
do...
I do is not my fault.
Why?
Will you tell me if I do?
Dude, this is on YouTube. Is it glass or is it pop? It's glass.
Baba! Oh, there's a burnt chair.
A burnt chair?
There's a wagon in a bucket.
Okay, no one wants to see that. Onward! Yeah, that's a first we painted bulkhead. That's what it's
That
called.
bucket looks like green tea now.
TMI!
And it's sizzling.
I'm out. Ooh, burnt leaves. Okay, no more. Oh, there they are again.
Run, little boy!
Yo, what is this?
Oh, I'm gonna use this as a jump.
Yo, this is a broken hose.
Huh?
It's like a broken water squirter in the grass.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Yeah,
That's
it
as
is.
much as it goes. There's a pipe connected.
Well,
There's
it's
a
broken.
pipe under the ground.
Well, it's broken now.
I'm gonna use this as a jump.
What jump? Oh,
Alright, ready?
yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna get in trouble by that throwing it up. Oh!
Well-
Dripping water. Ready?
No, don't get me wet.
Oh, I'm not gonna get you it. Just watch. Oh! Come here. Show the camera my hand.
Ugh.
That's disgusting.
That's why I talk. It sounds so weird.
Hey, that's the whole point of ripping bikes.
Getting
These are
dirty.
new joggers.
Getting dirty.
These are new pants. Who was on the bus?
Was?
Dylan, come on. You're going to be in a YouTube video with me and Dante. Yeah, you two are too.
Oh yeah, Dylan got a hoverboard.
Yeah, Dylan and his sister got a hoverboard
Yeah.
from their dad. Hello. Hi, everyone. Jojo, want to see my brother's baby? I'll be right back, Dante, alright?
Can I come?
Sure. YouTube videos.
Are we gonna take a video of a video?
Yeah, video of a video. Huh?
Wait, you don't got a channel, do you?
Do I have my own channel? Yeah, I can record right now.
Then record. Then record. Go. No, that's recording a video.
Hey everyone, it is Dylan and welcome back to the video.
You sound like the NTDM. What?
We're both recording right now.
Recording of a recording.
And yeah, go check out his channel, Dante Camateras. Woo! Want to see the baby? Yeah, let's go.
I want to see him. I want to see the pretty little baby.
Oh shoot!
Fail.
I'm out. That was not a fail.
Whatever.
Guys, want to play some PlayStation? Take some
Can I
videos
film
of
it?
that?
Can I film the baby? Or no?
Go ask Dylan. Do you want to play some PlayStation and record? Yeah, and record our games.
What about me?
You too! With us. Want to? Stop fighting.
Not
Do you?
No, not right now. Not later.
Alright.
Because I might be leaving anyways.
See?
Oh, he's so cool.
Say hi. He looks more like my brother. Yesterday.
Bye.